This
Rasta.
Sarah, no, it's sweet pepper. What is this?
Sweet pepper.
Thank you. You look like you're on a runway. You're signaling the plane. Ty, position.
Slide this.
Tyler, position. You're signaling the plane. That's how they do at the airport. They do this too.
You don't do this.
They do that. Come.
Stop.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You see the abuse that I have to endure when you guys not watching? That's how my husband treat me. The abuse that you guys don't see.
Me abuse.
Ow, you guys.
Abuse you.
Yes, ah.
Again.
You abuse
Abuse
me.
you.
Ow.
Again.
You know, if me get mad, if I gonna get that, You guys, how are you guys doing? We went to the supermarket and got back, and first thing you guys gonna see this morning is the
Supermarket.
where are we? It's a supermarket haul. Sarah, come here. Come here.
Come,
Come
Papa.
here. Come for this. Come for it. Come.
So why you're trying to attract her with loud?
1, 2.
Don't get
Come.
Don't get cheek.
Yo, girl, come for it around here. Come. I'm trying to get her to come stay like me there. You have to treat them sometime. I don't know.
No.
Sarah, come.
That's called a lie.
Run, Sarah, come.
That's a child
No,
abuse.
but the spoon. I just want her to come to me.
And-
Come, Sarah, come. Look. Look there. Say good morning. How are you?
Wow.
You're fine. Say hi to the face. Good morning. All right, I can go now. That's all I wanted from you. Oh, Jesus have mercy. Anyway, you guys, so the boys are here and we're going to the supermarket haul right now. We go to the supermarket. We almost didn't get back home because something is wrong with our car and babe gonna have to carry the car to the garage. So that's a whole different story. But right now he's acting up. Look at Papa, Sarah. If they fall and they break and splash all over this floor, I'm just gonna walk away like I didn't even see nothing and he's gonna have to clean it up.
You sure about it? Or you just lying again to the camera?
And I'm going to be sad
The
because
only reason why I would clean it up is because I know he wouldn't have done it properly.
It's like the apple juice. You remember guys, this
Mommy,
last week?
you don't
The
eat
last
that
week she
stuff.
said she only get 1 apple juice, 1 glass per week. Then she confessed, she said, okay, maybe 2. She mean 2 per day. I had to go to the supermarket. She begged me, please, can you go to the supermarket?
So why you backing up?
And get 1 or 2 big bottles, good one for me.
Alright, no. Tell them why I drank so much apple juice.
Because you like
this
it?
week. Babe, tell the fellas
Oh,
the
you
truth.
confess that you drink so much apple juice.
I
She
drank
confessed.
the entire box that was there.
Entire box.
I'm
Seize,
not
box
confessing.
seize.
I'm not confessing, I'm just telling you what happened. Tell
More
them
than 1
why.
box seize,
Tell
like
them
3
why.
boxes.
Tell them
Because you
why.
like it.
Tell them the reason why.
She like it.
You guys, it's because I was sick and I had no appetite to eat. I just felt like drinking, so I just drank a whole
It's
lot.
like if a shot was like, okay, orange juice, I don't feel orange juice. Apple juice, I feel the apple juice. Give me apple juice. Morning, afternoon, dinner, anytime.
Once the camera is on, you just have to scan down
What you
me.
want?
Have to.
Lift me.
To do what?
Lift me.
To do what? Give me a good reason.
Lift
He
me.
said lift him. Just lift
No,
him.
I tell him give me a good reason. I didn't push him. It seems by himself.
No, you have to lift him.
So why you want me to lift you?
Because he just wanted to lift him.
You want me to send you somewhere in the bin? Want me to lift you in the bin?
Go to Papa.
I'm
Tell
going
him lift
to.
you. Hold on.
I'm going
If you make none of them drop. Come, let's do the supermarket haul. You doing the supermarket haul with us? Come, what is this?
Alright, tell her.
Come here, Sarah, do the supermarket haul. What is this? Yogurt. Yes, good job. What is this?
Go.
Wait, let she say it first. What is it?
Tyler said, "Paw."
She said paw. She said it in French. Come. Sarah, what is... Wait, let she say it first. What is this, Sarah?
No.
It's not... No. What is this? No. Pasta. What is this? Yes.
Pasta, bravo.
What is this?
Juice.
Juice. Also make the camera hear our voice now. What is this? Juice. Let she go first. What is this?
Juice.
What is this? No, it's not juice. It's oil. What is this? No, oil. Say oil.
Oil.
Good job. Don't stop in eyes, no man. What is this? What is this? Corn. Good job.
Corn.
What is this? No. Honey. What is this? Honey.
Honey bunny.
What is this?
Lemon.
Lemon. What is it? Yes. What is this? Rice.
Rice.
Yes.
Mama, let her say it in French
No.
and English.
What is this?
You're doing the French one.
Soap. What is this? Yes.
This is
Tyler said in yes. Good job. What is this? Good job, Sarah. Yes. What's this? Yes.
Two. You saw that as two. Two.
What is this? Cereal. Yes. Say it in French.
Cereal.
What's this? Ham.
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 Jambon. Français, c'est
Jambon.
jambon.
What is this?
That's
That's burger.
Burger.
Yes. Spinach.
Bravo.
Yay.
Are you called
Peas.
auntie?
It's just peas.
Lentille.
Tyler, what, Sarah, what is this? Say lentil.
Lentille.
Yes.
Bravo.
Yay. What is this? Avocado. Good job, Sarah. Yay. Sarah, you're not saying it in French. What's this, Sarah? Yay. You guys, you remember this sauce that I mistakenly bought a few weeks ago?
The blue cheese.
It's here again, but not by mistake this time. I was going for the correct one and Tyler said, nope, this is the one I want.
Oh, you take the same one?
You didn't hear Tyler say that's what he wants?
No, I wasn't there. Okay, Roquefort.
Yeah. Alright, Sarah, what is this? Cucumber.
Kumba.
What is it? Yay! What's this? Celery.
Bravo.
We have a special guest appearance in the hall today. Sarah, what is this? She said,
Bubble! Bubble!
what is this? What is this? Look! Yes! Sarah, tell her that you try before you tell her.
Esta c'est quoi?
Help me. Sarah, what is this?
Sarah?
Sarah, this?
Banana.
No!
I was waiting on this one. Banana is banana.
No.
Banana is banana.
Sarah is planting.
Banana.
That's planting.
What is this?
Banana.
Yes! Bravo! Yeah!
What is this?
Apple.
Yeah! Help Sid go faster.
C'est quoi ça? Kaboom.
Bravo!
Yeah.
Bravo!
What's this?
Rasta.
What the?
Sarah! No, it's sweet pepper. What is this?
Sweet pepper.
Thank you.
C'est quoi ça?
What is this?
Yeah.
Party! Party time!
What's this, Sarah?
Banana.
Yes.
What's that?
The soup. Yes.
What is this?
Chicken. She knows this one. What's this? Potato. Yes.
Oh, let me see if she knows this one. Haha. What is this?
What's this? Snack.
Snack.
Pretzel. C'est bas.
Guys, let me tell you a story about. Let me tell you a story about this Monster Munch. We're not advertising
They can't see you.
Monster Munch.
Back up. They can't see you. Come round here, so. Round here, so. They can't
Let me
see
let me tell you something about this Monster Munch. First, we're not advertising Monster Munch. You can get anyone you want. Second, I get this last week because she just wanted to try little things when, for example, in the evening she get a drink kind of thing, to mention something in the same time, not only to drink. So
Move along,
she
move
opened
along.
this, Sarah eat half of it, she eat the other half, she just like it. And when I went to the supermarket to get her some more boxes for apple juice, I just said, okay, let me get some things for her. I get her a big whole pack of this. It was that huge, like this. She eat it right away. The morning I wake up and I saw the packet it was down in the bin. She's a monster.
I was sick and I didn't feel to eat, so I eat anything I felt for, and I eat up the entire pack. I'm no shame in my game. I work out hard enough for incidents like those. Come, do the rest of the haul. Come, Sarah, wait.
So the bio biscuit is for me?
Here goes scandal in me.
Savants.
Sarah, what is this? Sarah, what's this one? Cake. It's a cake. Yay! What's this? Peach.
Oh.
What's this? It's a snack. You don't have to just take out all of these. It's the same thing. Same thing. What's this? It's a crepe. Yay! It's a cereal bar.
We get the new champions.
We have a new guest in the supermarket hall. Sarah for supermarket hall. You did good, Sarah. High five. But at the end of the supermarket hall, you have to do rock, paper, scissors to see who wins.
Yeah!
You have to go rock, paper, no,
I don't want
rock,
to play against her.
paper,
Sorry.
scissors.
I don't want to play against her.
Come, rock, paper, come, Papa. Where you going? You and Tyler playing rock, paper, scissors. If Papa win, Tyler don't get no monster munch. If Papa win, Papa get all monster munch and Mama don't get any. Come, Tyler. Beat him in a time. Best of 3. And we don't be able to lose. And don't hesitate,
No, not best of 2, best of 1.
Best of 3.
All in one.
Best of 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Hello. When I say shoot, I want to see the hands out right away.
Because I want to do this.
Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright.
Go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Get
1 point and 2 for Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Boom.
2. Whoever wins this win. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Thank you, Tyler. Say bravo, Tyler. Baby, run God. Anyway, you guys, that's the end of our crazy supermarket haul. Mama. Sarah's still saying yeah. I'm going to go ahead and pack out these. It was so fun to have Sarah in the supermarket haul. We need to make sure she's included in them as of today. Anyway, you guys, we are gonna go do the do. Babe, loser, run gone. The loser! What you loser? He's a loser. Oh. We forget one bag. It's just frozen food. We won't frozen food. We won't better go through it and show you guys all the frozen things that we got. Loser. Sore loser.
You're a quitter.
You're a sore
I'm a
loser.
loser, you're a quitter.
You're a sore
Mama,
loser.
you know why
You guys, a quick Saturday dinner. Yes, we are not perfect. We don't have vegetables every day. So yeah, that's dinner for today.
I won't say good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I'm going to say straight good night. This woman beside me, she didn't take no drugs, no cocaine, nothing. She just took a glass of whiskey. So people that are using drugs, stop. Just take a glass of whiskey. You'll be away, you'll be zen.
You want to go straight like my
Flying
You
to the top of the world.
I can't even look at you guys. You guys don't have bellies. What happened? My husband would say he get to do whatever he wants.
And she's the one who shared the glass, so she can't say that I put too much or anything. Wow, what's wrong with you? That's her in 10 minutes.
Yeah, I'm going to bed. I can't stay up. The past few nights I've been... Babe! I've been going to bed leaving the past few nights. So tired. Can't hang. And once I snore, you know I'm tired. That's the only time I snore.
She took my spot. Usually, for her, I'm not like, I'm going to bed with her. And 2 minutes after, I'm already away, sleeping like a baby. And she's just beside.
You said 3 minutes?
Already, this last days is her. She just go to bed, you're talking to her, and she not answer, you hear.
I'm tired, and tonight I can already feel myself sleeping.
Call her the truck. The truck.
I feel myself sleeping already.
So, you had a good day?
A very good day.
It was a productive day for us.
Mm-hmm.
We feel better. I think I'm talking for me because I can't talk for others. But when I see Sarah, when I see Tyler, they're feeling better.
I'm still talking up in my nose, but I'm better today than I was yesterday.
So
and that's a positive sign.
That's a positive sign. We'll soon be able to go all of the places, and I'm looking for that. We go.
Car have to go to the garage first. Car have to go to the garage this week.
I have to bring the car to the garage. I have a little alert
out.
On the car.
And hopefully next week we'll be back doing our road trips and our hikings and our adventures.
I was looking earlier a little documentary about Italy. We have the French Riviera, and the other side is called the Italian Riviera. So I was seeing different village, and it was just so pretty. I just imagine myself and I said, yeah, you need to go there, and hopefully one day we'll be able to afford and just to go for a weekend to all these places. You know, you just leave on the Saturday morning, you spend the entire Saturday, the Saturday night, and you come back to your yard on the Sunday evening. That just make you have a complete, accomplished weekend, and that's what you work hard all week.
You guys are sleeping.
So anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this vlog, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn the notification bell, comment down below, like, catch up, keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'm going to sleep, Dada. Can't hang no more. No, sir.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
You wicked, what a man, wicked man. He's a wicked man. Move my face, man. Hey.